Right, yeah, it's been a couple of weeks now since we fitted the Toyota Sports manifold M2 centre section, the spoon N1 back box to this. It's gone alright. I think it's pretty quick actually. Surprised myself that I think I'm more likely to lose my licence in this than having my 400 horsepower Golf, but never mind. So we're taking it back to the dyno today, as it's my day off. Take a nice little drive there. It's been something like -3 last night, so quite cold today. It's a bit slippy as well. These I've got AD08Rs on now on this car after the Avons were bald a couple of weeks ago. They're pretty grippy and they're dryish. They're not too bad in this weather conditions. I'm not sliding around as much as I expected to. I remember having a Toyota R888 on my course, and that was horrendous, and that's proper dry. It's awful to drive, but these are actually alright. I don't think these are too bad, so let's get ourselves on our way to the dyno. It's about 5 miles to go. Hopefully we'll be there by 11. And we're going to freeze to death for a bit. Yeah. Right, so back from the dyno. It's a dyno sheet right here. I'll upload a copy of the photo towards the end of the video so you can see what it is. It was let's have a read. 228.9 horsepower and 169.6 pound per feet of torque. Peak power was made at 7850, so mapping enough for that anyway. So only mods: air filter, 4 to 2 to 1 decat, M2 centre section, and a spoon N1 back box. So next up we need to do the inlet manifold, the throttle body, and then eventually a K-Pro. So those are the next plans. So today hasn't been a bad day actually. Quite a good bit of power that. I'm happy with that. Cool. Till next time.